If you're a car enthusiast and think you've seen everything there is to cars, well, here are some car inventions you have likely never seen before. You can't avoid winter, but you can make your driving easier without having to drag your car through snow with a chain attached. The AutoStock textile snow chains is like a sock for your car tires, which makes your journey a whole lot easier. The sock is made of the same material as snow chains, but comes with a lighter and comfortable form. Wear it over half of your tire and turn the wheels to pull it over the other exposed half. When you are done, you can go out even with lots of snow on the ground without needing too much equipment to clear snow. It's easy to set up and provides great cover for your car. RSI Smart Canopy Evo Camp Box is a cover for the back of your truck, which can also serve as a canopy. It's made of waterproof material with a simple design that makes your truck stand out, but not to the point of being suspicious. When you want to go on a trip and just enjoy time outdoors, you can unfold the canopy from the cover and hinge the poles at the end to mount it to the floor. You can cook under the canopy or lounge around with no worries about getting disturbed by unstable weather conditions. The Valeo Picture Beam monolithic and intelligent and predictive lighting system helps to reduce road accidents. Most car accidents occur at night, largely due to dazzling lights, which shock other drivers and sometimes pedestrians. All these can be reduced by using more precise lighting. The monolithic intelligent light works with individual pixelated lights that provide the right amount of lighting based on the condition of the area. The lights are connected to the steering wheel, so if you have to make a bend, the light will move in accordance, so nobody is startled by your sudden appearance. The headlights also cast a shadow that shows the size of your vehicle, so reckless drivers have no excuse like they didn't know the vehicle was large because of the headlights. It's great for trucks and other large machinery that cause immense damage. Opel Electric Car is a concept car of the future that questions everything we know about cars. It's going to be fully electric, but the interior is where the questions are. The car's interior boasts ample space, although the exterior looks small. The seats are lightweight, which can help regulate body temperature as opposed to sitting on heavy material. Opel's incredible invention with this car is a foldable steering wheel. Although we don't quite know what difference it would make in the car except creating little space, it's a new innovation, and that's what we're here for. Navigating snow is a hassle for small cars. Now, think of how stressful it must be for bigger vehicles like trucks and SUVs. Well, with the Track and Go wheel-driven track system for pickup trucks and SUVs, drivers of these types of vehicles can have an easier time plowing snow and getting to their desired location at a more reasonable time. The tool is made of heavy steel and has chained wheels attached to it. You hoist it on your tires, and as you drive, the chained wheel clears the snow in your path and paves a way for you. The machine has a long warranty and can work in heavy snowfall. Say goodbye to missing work because of snow. If you're enjoying the video, subscribe to our channel for more car inventions that would excite you. The NASCAR Truck Race Air Jack system is designed to help you lift heavy vehicles to make repairs easy, and the mechanism is impressive. Made with a steel pipe, the invention fills vehicles with air and helps to stand above ground level to support underbody work. To use it, place the pipes close to the back tires, then activate it and watch it as it lifts the vehicle, leaving only the front tires on the ground. The pipes are sturdy and don't require extra support to stand. Just get under the vehicle and start working. What makes the Air Jack impressive is the fact that it looks small, but actually works well on heavy-duty vehicles, making it a great option for non-mechanics who need to work on their vehicles in an emergency. The Nuke Performance Air Jack Elephant Fleet is another great innovation that helps with lifting vehicles for repairs. It's a low-pressure air jack that works well for large vehicles, providing a maximum lift of 18.9 inches, high enough to get under the vehicle completely. It has a second stage lift option, which is useful for mechanic workshops. One of the most impressive things about this air jack is that it has a self-lock feature, which locks automatically when it's released the required amount of pressure needed to lift the vehicle. The air jack is stored in the Peli Flight case, which allows for easy storage and carrying. Neo Eden is a car of the future that's powered by AI and seeks to build a relationship between vehicles and their owners. The car features a movable roof and LED light for a stylish and functional touch. The car incorporates horizontally moving front and rear fenders to create a wide opening for passengers. The Neo Eden won't feature a steering wheel, just a globe between only two seats in the car. Anyone in the car can move the globe to set the car in drive or park mode. The ARB Intensity IQ Lights and Modular Roller Drawer System is an LED driving light set that makes your driving adventures comfortable and safer. With over 10,000 lumens per light, you can choose between thousands of beam patterns to make your journey smoother. It has a unique 4-optic design which provides an unlimited choice of light beams that can fit any road condition. The Super Spot and Spot Optic is based on a freeform reflector technology that allows for an extended distance illumination. The Flood Optic is designed with a special lens to maximize the light spread, providing great foreground visibility, while the Mid-Range Optic uses a conventional parabolic reflector to illuminate the mid-range area. When all these are combined, you are able to see a further distance and also make your presence known to other road users. The light has a sleek and low-profile design that can easily integrate into any vehicle without ruining the aesthetics. It is easy to install. Are you enjoying the video so far? Don't forget to subscribe and share. Have you ever imagined what it would be like to have a vehicle that can change from a regular car to a pickup truck or even a food stand? Well, if you haven't, you should start envisioning it, because Kia just revealed a concept vehicle called the Kia PBV Conversion. The vehicle is divided into 2 compartments with the driver and passenger seats in front and a removable compartment at the back. The back can be disconnected from the front and lifted to fit something else entirely. A vehicle like this can actually reduce our carbon footprint by reducing the need to buy a different vehicle for different purposes. With one vehicle, you can show up appropriately. It would be a great vehicle for stall vendors. If you're tired of doing guesswork when it comes to adjusting your car in certain terrains, then you don't need to worry again. Introducing the Icon Vehicle Dynamics CD EV Shock System, the future of the suspension system in the automotive industry. The device is fully automated and works with artificial intelligence and machine learning. The Icon is an extremely smart computer with a gyroscope, which makes calculations based on the algorithms and user-defined settings to predict terrain and wheel position. It then sends its calculations to the CDEV in milliseconds, which then makes the necessary adjustments to your vehicle. The coolest thing is you can do all this on your mobile phone, so you never have to step foot out of your car to make adjustments. Honda is working hard to reduce its carbon footprint before 2050, and the plan is to electrify all mobility devices. But there are so many downsides to using battery-powered devices, like short range and difficulty in finding a charging station, since only a few car companies have accessible electric cars. To solve the problem, Honda is creating e-swap sites to allow electric vehicle users to access batteries on the go. The battery swapping station would be similar to vending machines where you can place your old battery and take a charged one to continue your journey. When innovations like this are made available, it encourages drivers to switch to electric vehicles and improve the state of the climate. Finding parking spaces is tedious because it seems like almost everybody has a car these days, which is why Valeo Park for You is a great service. It's a valet service but completely run by artificial intelligence, which means more accuracy and less chances of damage. Valeo works through inexpensive sensors that will be installed in your car. When a suitable parking space is found, the driver is notified, and then Valeo takes over the steering wheel, accelerator, and brakes. It then takes your car steadily to the available spot and parks it well. If you don't feel comfortable allowing AI to drive a car that should not be self-driving, you can always override the system and park in the available spot yourself. Don't you just hate it when you keep items in your truck and later find out that they got scattered or broken because of your journey? You can now prevent that with the WeatherTech CargoTech Pro, which is made of rain and UV resistant material. It has 4 corner pieces and 16 cam locks, or if you opt for a different option, you get 2 corner pieces and 8 cam locks. The cam locks can be used to secure planks in a way that produces a containment frame. Within the containment frame, you can store 5 gallons, drywall, and other items. You can increase the width of the frame by unlocking the cam lock and facing it in the desired direction, so you don't have to worry about accidental spills or broken items. Which of these inventions made you the most excited as a car enthusiast? Which do you think would be the most useful to you? Let us know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more educational videos on cars, check out our channel and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.